不如我哋邀請我哋今日啦，所有參賽嘅 cosplayer 啦嚟到台上同大家再一次見面先。我哋先由啦係單人賽1號開始嚟到舞台上面。咁啊，評判一路喺度寫緊 comment， 一路俾緊分，咁都要同大家講多次啦。我哋啦，聽日啦下晝時分啦就會有呢個頒獎典禮，結果啦到時就會同大家一齊公佈。咁啊，特別要講講就係今年啦，由元氣壽司 Genki Sushi 冠名贊助嘅大賽，獎品真係史無前例咁豐富啊！除咗啦有豐富嘅獎金之外啦，亦都特別加碼係送出元氣壽司合共18000元嘅元氣壽司現金券，咁啊等今日啦咁多位辛苦排練咗咁耐嘅 cosplayer 喺比賽完畢之後可以一齊啦去元氣壽司嗰度啦食翻一餐勁嘅，同埋獎勵下自己以及隊員啊嘛。咁啊結果花落誰家啦，聽日下晝啦2點45分啦就會公佈。咁而家我哋嘅 cosplayer 都差不多上好台啦，咁啊究竟我哋今日比賽演出成點啦？我哋不如趁呢個機會，亦都邀請我哋特登啦遠道邀請嚟日本知名 cosplayer 嘅日本知名攝影師 Mitch 嚟到台上同大家一齊分享下佢今日嘅感受同埋心得咯噃。我哋俾啲掌聲 Mitch。Hello, welcome to Hong Kong.
Hello, thank you.
Yes, how do you feel about ACGHK? Is it the first time you come to our event?
Yeah, it's really my first time.
Yeah, how do you feel? The vibe and the cosplayer?
So lively. I arrived yesterday and it was so crowded and so lively. I'm really excited to be here.
Yeah， 頭先咧就問佢啦，係咪第一次嚟我哋香港動漫電玩節啦？咁佢就話啦，係啊，琴日落機嚟到現場啦，發現哇好多人，好熱鬧，水泄不通，係非常之驚喜㗎。咁而家我都將會問佢啦，今日參賽者嘅表演如何啦？有冇邊一組特別深印象㗎啦？
今日の参加者たちがどっちがイメージ残ってますのグループが人がいますか？
Actually, I'm so excited to see all of the stage today.
Yes.
Like especially, I found that every people they are kind of choose specific material that they can be more stood out on the stage, like shiny materials or like they use LED light. So it's really creative. I really admire them.
Yeah, and especially there are a lot of screen helping them to do different actions.
Yeah,
right?
true. Yeah, it was so like entertainment.
Yeah. 頭先提到啦，佢哋其實好多 cosplayer 都用咗啦好多特殊嘅物料啦，喺舞台上面啦，係譬如一啲反光啦，又或者發光啦嘅裝置，令到啦喺台上面睇得啦係非常之精彩，亦都啦係覺得好 surprise 㗎。咁我亦都提到啦，有啲組合啦，直頭啦配合埋啦係 LED 嘅互動啊，令到個娛樂性啦係非常之高㗎。咁啊，你自己評分嘅準則又係點嘅咧？
そう評判する基準は何ですか？
For me, first of all, because I also a costumer, so I I really like to see how they craft the costume and put the detail in the props or everything. And also, I also be part of the stage play, so it's kind of really exciting for me to see how they approach each of the stage making. Yeah, so that's the most of the part I really look at.
So which means like the costume, the detail is very important, right?
Yes, because photography and stage play is kind of different, because photography you capture as is, but on the stage, because the audience needs to see the stage, so the costume should be more bright so that they can see more visible, right? So I think like the shiny props or they use the material is really suit for the stage.
佢提到啦，佢 其實自己啦都有 cosplay 嘅經驗啦，特別啦喺舞台上面同佢平時影相啦係非常之唔同㗎。喺舞台上面啦，其實啦頭先提到嘅反光嘅物料啊，又或者發光嘅裝置啦，就非常之適合喺舞台，因為舞台啦係一段時間嘅演出，而唔係照片當中啦一瞬間一剎那嘅捕捉，所以啦好多嘅組合啦，佢哋嘅作品啦，佢哋嘅服飾啦，都有呢啲元素啦，佢係相當係贊同㗎，係啦，亦都係好感恩啦，睇到一個咁高水準嘅演出嘅。So very thank you very much for being our judges today, and I hope you enjoy the show.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you, and let's have a group photo together, okay? Yes, please stand in the middle of the stage. 好，喺呢一刻啦，我哋就邀請佢嚟到我哋舞台中間啦，一齊啦影返一張大合照啦。Okay, ready? Let's count from 3, 2, 1。究竟結果花落誰家啦？想知道嘅話啦，記得留意聽日元氣壽司冠名贊助動漫 cosplay 大賽2026嘅最終賽果，我哋將會喺星期日下晝2點45分，同樣呢個舞台同大家揭曉嘅。咁啊，希望大家睇完之後啦，繼續喺我哋動漫節入邊玩得開心，買得放心。最重要咧就係 Live with Genki Live 係啦，咁啊 Live with Genki Live， 希望大家喺呢度有個愉快嘅週末，愉快嘅活動。我哋一齊 Let's say hi to the camera. Let's start from the left hand side, please. Left hand side of the stage. Yes, the camera right here. Let's look at them, and then I say 1, 2, 3, and then the camera will come and say hi to him. 我哋一齊啦，咁多位 cosplayer 一齊擺動一下我哋嘅動作啦，準備1、2、3 ，Action！ 嚟到呢度，我哋 ACGHK 2026大會舞台元氣壽司冠名贊助動漫 cosplay 大賽單人賽以及雙人賽暫告一段落。再一次多謝大家，多謝晒咁多位 cosplayer 用心嘅演出，亦都多謝我哋嘅嚟自日本嘅評判 Matt。Thank you very much. Please be seated. Thank you。喺呢度再一次俾熱掌聲，我哋台上面每一位嘅 cosplayer 亦都要俾掌聲，我哋台下面勞苦功高嘅評判，特別啦係洪瑞雄先生啦，我見佢一路啦寫好多 comment 喺嗰度，哇係一啲都唔簡單。再一次多謝你 ，thank you very much。好咁啊，留意住聽日係啦，我哋喺舞台嗰度再同大家見面，聽日見。